guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create categories and channels on Discord. So we do have a few channels here, but what if I wanted to add another channel? Category. Select the arrow pointing down. Make sure you are an admin or you own the server. Select create category, and I want to add in let's see, questions. I don't know, this is just random. And then I'm just going to select create category, and then I'm going to create some text channels. Maybe they have like questions about digging in the New Dreamlight Valley, and there's like mining, fishing, harvesting, and I don't know, gardening. This is just an example, and that's how you can create the channels. But categories are just like these bits right here. If you want to add a gaming voice channel, maybe create a category first, and then name it gaming, and then in here I want to create like voice channels, so select the voice one instead and name the channels. I guess you can also duplicate them, but you have to create a different name for it, basically, like so. You can also duplicate text channels as well. That is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!